Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase data science skills with DataCamp, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enhance your data science skills, DataCamp is an excellent platform to consider. First, create an account on the DataCamp website. Visit datacamp.com and click on the sign up button. You can register using your email address or sign in with your existing Google or LinkedIn account. Once you're signed in, take some time to explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the course catalog, which includes subjects like Python, R, and SQL. Next, consider your current skill level and select a relevant course. If you're a beginner, look for foundational courses that introduce key concepts. For intermediate learners, choose courses that delve deeper into specific topics like machine learning. After selecting a course, review the syllabus to understand the topics covered. Once you begin a course, engage actively with the interactive coding challenges. These challenges reinforce what you've learned and allow for practical application. As you progress, take notes on important concepts and programming techniques. Make use of DataCamp's resources like cheat sheets and community forums for additional support. If you encounter difficulties, don't hesitate to utilize the discussion boards. Networking with fellow learners can provide valuable insights and encouragement. Set achievable goals for your learning journey to maintain motivation. Consider dedicating regular time each week to practice and engage with the material. Beyond courses, explore the projects section to apply your skills to real-world scenarios. Completing projects can strengthen your portfolio, showcasing your capabilities. Lastly, review progress regularly and adjust your learning path as needed. Consistent practice will help you grow and build confidence in your data science skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.